Hello and welcome back to Ask a Cosmetologist. Today we're going to talk about the steps to shampoo your hair. We're going to talk about the reason for the steps, some of the alternative things that you may do when you're doing the steps, and what is the outcome of your steps in shampooing your hair. So we're gonna now kind of explain to you shampoo day. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is clarify. I kind of jumped ahead of the gun, but I did go ahead and put that on there. Clarify. Why clarifying? Because clarifying is going to strip the hair, right? So if you have like a lot of grease, a lot of buildup from whatever services that you have had done, and now it's 2 weeks or a week and you want to, your hair gets dirty within 24 hours. So the clarifying is going to break and cleanse that. However, the alternative is, let's say you have extensions in, you had it for a number of weeks in your hair, days. The first thing you want to do is you want to comb your hair out thoroughly. Comb it out. Comb with a paddle brush, brush. Because if you use this clarifying, it is going to mat your hair up, okay? So the alternative is anytime you do, even if it's a moisturizing shampoo, first go ahead and take the wide paddle brush or that wide tooth comb and comb through your hair. You're gonna see all of that hair that is tangled into your hair that's still attached to your head with the hair that sheds every day. That's gonna be the hair, and that's how it mats up, okay? So if you use clarifying, don't use clarifying until you brush through that hair really good. Get all those extra shedded strands out of your head so it won't mat up. Once you do this and it breaks up the grease and everything like that, you're going to do a moisturizing, hydrating shampoo. This is always important. It's going to bring your pH balance back down to a level 5. Moisturizing shampoo should always be, your pH balance in your hair should be at a level 5. When you do clarifying, it's at a high alkaline pH balance, which is like at a 10. So you want to come back in with a hydrating, moisturizing shampoo, especially for African American women and men. If you use it, do this so you can go ahead and that's where the softness comes from, right? Now, if you want some natural shine, you want to use vinegar. Right? So what I would do is I would do the clarifying, apply the vinegar into the hair, then do a moisturizing shampoo, then rinse the hair out with the vinegar, right? Rinse your hair out, and then go back in the second time and just use the moisturizing shampoo. That's going to give you a natural shine. I'm just writing all over this thing. I just like the fact I got this. It's going to give you a natural shine. So if you want to do a roller set, or if you want to do a blow dry, you're going to automatically already have that shine in there with the hydrating, moisturizing shampoo and the vinegar, okay? Just word of mouth. This is something you learn in beauty school. Otherwise, last but not least, conditioner. So of course, you want to do the conditioner. Typically, you want to put it on, get a plastic cap, put it on your hair, massage it through. Put a little bit of oil in it. Let's say you're experiencing some type of thinning. Massage around the temples, each area, right? Go ahead and do that. And then leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. Rinse it out, okay? Now, if you are experiencing shedding, maybe you had a chemical service or something like that, you want to go in with an Apogee conditioner, which is a protein, I don't know if I'm spelling this right, child. Apogee. Whatever. Apogee protein treatment. You can get that at Sally's. Really good. Stop shedding immediately. And then you want to go back in with a moisturizing conditioner, okay? Once all of that has been done, then you can style your hair. You can mold it and do your little curls or whatever style you would like. If you're going to do a blow dry, or make sure you have a heat protectant. One of the greatest ones I love is a heat protectant. And it's a humidity protector. It's called Just Blow by Peter Coppola. Okay, by Peter Coppola. I don't even know y'all can see that stuff. Let me see. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So this is Just Blow. All right. And that is all, guys. See you next video. Bye.